Hello, this is the extra little bit of training for the first week of the Intro to Restore Balance. And I wanted to talk about beliefs because everything starts with our beliefs. Our beliefs determine our thoughts determine our feelings determine our actions, and our actions give us feedback give us the results, evidence, and this evidence then feeds into our beliefs. So that's the belief cycle. So obviously our beliefs are really important. They're at the kind of center of everything. And if we're holding on to beliefs that aren't helping us, we'll continue to see results that keep us stuck, where we're not happy or healthy. And this is where mindfulness comes in so useful. When we slow down our breathing and give ourselves time and space to notice our thoughts and question where they come from, this is when we can think about what the beliefs are that we're carrying and that are making us have these thoughts and feelings. Because our brain is always trying to keep us safe, this can mean that it keeps us stuck where we are comfortable. We sort of stick with what's known, and when we are aware of what our thoughts and beliefs are, through allowing ourselves to slow down every now and then to reflect, we can literally retrain our thoughts by letting ourselves know that we're safe. I'm going to keep this short because this 3 weeks is just an intro, so I don't want to overwhelm you with lots and lots of details. But I think it's really helpful to think about our beliefs when we're trying to manage our feelings. We're trying to feel calmer, and we're trying to stay calm and manage our thoughts. And it's also really helpful to know that slowing your breathing down is actually all you need to do to relax your nervous system. And if you find this difficult, if you've tried the mindfulness practice and it's not coming easily, or you're putting yourself off, try thinking to yourself, saying to yourself, it is safe for me to breathe more slowly, or it is safe for me to release the beliefs that get in the way of me relaxing. And it does take some time to rewire our brain with a new belief. Like if we go for a walk in a field and there's a well-trodden path, so that's our usual our habits, and then if we take another path, we decide to go off the well-trodden path. Over time, if we keep taking that path, then that will also become a well-trodden path, and the other one will overgrow again. It doesn't take very long to slow your breathing down. And hopefully by the end of this 3 weeks at least, you will find that you are able to breathe more slowly, and you will notice that that's helping you to feel more relaxed. And obviously the more you practice anything, the more you repeat anything, the easier it will get, and the more well trodden that path will become. Okay, so a couple of things to think about during the week. What beliefs come up when you are practicing the mindful breathing, or even when you're just thinking about having a go at it? Are there beliefs that are stopping you from even trying? Are there beliefs that are making you feel like you can't do it? And try asking yourself, is this true? Is this belief true? So to be true, something has to be true 100% of the time. And so have there been any times when you have been able to slow your breathing, when it has been possible for you to feel relaxed? So ask yourself, is this true? Yes or no? And then ask, why? Why is this the case? Why is this a yes? Why is this a no? And then next question, ask yourself, is this logical? So if you've said no, really think about if it really isn't true. And if you've said no, hang on. If you've said yes, really ask yourself why it is true, why you think it is true. Is it 100% always forever true? And the next question is this belief helping me? And then ask yourself why. And I think a lot of the time when you ask yourself if the belief is helping you, it might be helping you because it might be keeping you safe. It might be that your brain is just trying to keep you safe, and you can practice just letting yourself know it's okay, I am safe, and just see if that makes a difference. Let yourself know that it is safe for you to let go of what stops you feeling like you can relax. And then you can decide on new beliefs to replace the less helpful ones. And I'll talk more about this on Wednesday. I'll do a short post about affirmations, using affirmations in a really helpful way, because sometimes affirmations can be so far-fetched that we just don't believe them, and they need to be things that we can actually believe, that they still feel safe, they still feel like something that we can achieve. And then the second thing to think about this week is what is one thing that you can delete from your life that will stop you feeling inadequate or like you're wasting time? And you can use the same principles of observing and questioning your thoughts and beliefs, and just see if there's anything that you can instantly let go of. And so it might even be things that you can sort of reduce the time you spend doing. So something I used to spend a lot of time doing was playing, Candy Crush. I used to play Candy Crush all the time, and one day I just decided that's taking far more time than it needs to, and I just deleted it. So just something simple, something that you feel like you can do, and something that will give you a bit of space, and reduce the amount of things that you feel like you are always having to do, or feel like they're getting in the way of things that you'd actually rather do. Okay, I will leave it there, and I'll put this in the group, and I will look out for any questions. Keep posting your done and win hashtags, to keep up the momentum during the 3 weeks for yourself and for everybody else, and to help you with feeling like you are making progress. Okay, have a lovely day, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.